Pay close attention because in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how to optimize the 3 most important pages on your Ecom store. This is Optimization by Oliver, episode number 74. And in this video, I'm going to break down a popular toothbrush brand and show you what I would do if they hired me and my agency ConversionWise to optimize their site for maximum revenue per visitor. For context, I've been doing this for 12 plus years. I have a team of 50 plus CRO experts, and I can't wait to share the before and afters with you. Let's jump straight into it. Okay, so let's start with the homepage. And as you can see, subtle changes make big differences. First and foremost, we've got rid of all of those distractions, these horrible little icons that pop up chatbots and surveys when you just land on the landing page. Kill them, get rid of them, they kill your conversion rates. Also, what we've done is added that all-important social proof. I don't care how big or recognizable your brand is, social proof works. Make sure you use visual in the form of stars and tell your people how many happy customers you have served. Moving on to point 2, we've chosen a headline that focuses on the benefit. What's the outcome of people using these toothbrushes? Well, it's to enhance your smile, it's to make you look healthier, happier. It's always about the benefit. Number 3, as you can see in the previous design, the control, the page that they're actually using right now, they have a very small button. It doesn't make you want to click it. It's a color that blends in with the background. It doesn't stand out. And it's very boring. It just says shop now. Instead, on our version, we've used a full width button on mobile. We've used an intuitive and actionable call to action that says shop best sellers now. And we're just taking them to that collection page where, of course, all the magic happens. And moving on to point number 4 is we've just given this above the fold more room to breathe. We've used a picture that actually showcases someone using the brushes. Through our experimentations and lots of tests that we've ran, we've always found that actually showing the product being used is way more effective than all of these professional shot model images. Moving on to the product page, PDP, lots of changes here as you can see. Not more so than none is just the space elements. See how we've actually managed to get more options and more conversion principles above the fold compared to their control. We've also enhanced number 1, the product image gallery with 2 things. One, we put these directional cues or arrows either side of the product images so it's very easy to scroll between. But instead of using these tiny radio dots, we've used thumbnail previews underneath the main image. This converts way better. It gives people a visualization that they can actually click to see more images. And it's a well-known fact that the more people search through your images, the more likely they are to buy your product because you can convey the benefit of the product more. Number 3, as on the homepage, we've just enhanced that social proof. We've pulled it up, we've annotated it a bit better, and we told the customers how many happy customers this brand has already served. Number 4 is a small change in the pricing. So these guys are currently running a discount. And this is the way you do your pricing when you have the discount. You have your original price crossed out, you then have a bold new price, but also to go that extra mile, make sure you then include the monetary saving as a percentage or a monetary amount in a nice label that's clear and visual that just shows the user how much money they're saving. And last but not least, as I always say, take your boring product descriptions, prompt a GPT to turn it into benefit-driven bullet points, make it scannable, use ticks, draw attention to it, and it's going to convert way better. And last but not least, moving on to the all-important checkout page, slider, drawer, whatever you want to call it, there's some massive optimizations to be had. First and foremost, I would not include a membership upsell within your cart drawer. At this point, the buyer is just wanting to buy one product and you're trying to get them onto a membership that's not clearly explained. It also pushes all of the important content inside that cart down. It doesn't give you much real estate to play with by adding conversion principles. And I think this is better off done post-purchase. I think you can do this on an email or on your thank you page. Instead, what we've done is we're going to increase AOV by having a dynamic shipping and free gifting prompt. Have that bar slide up as people add more into the cart, and take it one step further by saying they get a free gift for more money that they spend. Speaking of spending more money, as this is a relatively mid to low ticket item that you probably would purchase one or more of, let's say you've got a couple of kids or a couple of family members, let's add a quantity picker within the cart. It goes hand in hand with spending more money, as does point number 3. We can then subtly up or cross-sell within the cart all increasing AOV. And as I said on that homepage, kill any of these horrible little pop-ups, these chatbots, these distractions. When someone's in the mood to actually buy your product and you distract them with something else, you then lost that customer. Kill them all, keep your cart clean, and you're going to convert more people. Speaking of converting more people, for more of these tips, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Make sure you check us out if you want my agency to run your ongoing CRO at ConversionWise.com, and I'll see you in the very next video.